Hey guys, this is Lisa with GeekGirlFinds. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna jump on into the video. This is gonna be a short one. I just wanted to show you guys something that I got from Amazon. I got it in the mail earlier this week. It is a letterboard. Letterboards seem to be really popular right now, especially on Instagram. They're good for like putting a message with your flat lays or, you know, or any kind of displaying you're doing for photographs. It just kind of adds a little special touch, I think. So anyways, that is why I got it. This one is from Neck Studio letterboard. The box did not arrive like this. My cat got a hold of it, so don't think that if you order your box will show up like this, because it shouldn't. Not their fault, but my cat's fault. But anyways, it came with the letterboard, and on the back it does have a hanger, so if you want to hang it in your kitchen, or but also it comes with a little stand, nice oak stand. It's the perfect size. I think it's really cute. It comes with some little scissors and a little bag to put your letters in that you've cut loose from these. You get 2 sheets of letters, emojis, exclamation points, you know, punctuation, stuff like that. And you just cut them loose and you can keep them safe in your little bag. So, but anyways, it comes with 2 sheets of this, so unless you're writing an essay, I don't think you would need any more because the board is only so large. So anyways, I thought some of you guys might enjoy this, so I thought I would share. And anyways, that is really it for this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to be signing off. You guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.